the disclosure requirement it's not just a compliance issue. It's not just a box ticking exercise. We should really look at this as an opportunity to look at the way you operate as a company, and to look at how you operate as a responsible member of your community, whether that's whatever industry you're in, and also within Hong Kong, China, internationally. So really think about this and take it as an opportunity to use this disclosure requirement to look to the future and address those challenges that we're all going to have to face, and look at how we operate.
Disclosure is really a first step towards transparency, and transparency is important because without transparency, there's no accountability. You grow up a little bit now. You're doing exams. If you didn't tell people that you were doing exams, actually it went with the territory. Everybody knew you were doing exams. It was disclosed, it was transparent that you were doing exams. And therefore you were striving for something, and people wanted to know what your results were. That big picture, everything that you're going to hear about, data, and ISSB, and scope 3, and transition planning, all of that stuff starts from taking a step of disclosure and transparency and accountability.
There is no doubt that transparency plays a crucial role. Consistent, comparable, and reliable disclosure is vital for functioning markets. It enhances investment decisions and promotes the efficient allocation of capital. The journey towards a sustainable future is both a challenge and an opportunity for financial institutions. By embracing and promoting transparency through enhanced sustainability disclosures as required by ISSB standards, we can shape reporting norms to align with the reality of the risk and opportunity associated with climate change.